Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing a jet airplane. All right, so to start with, I'm gonna use my ruler on this so I get some nice geometric lines. So I'm gonna start by drawing a line, not super long, and then I'm gonna skip, and then I'm gonna draw a longer line on that side. Okay, then I'm gonna draw a line going across. So this is kind of like an X, okay? And I'm gonna draw it coming back like that. Then I'm gonna slide my ruler up and it's going the exact angle, and then I'm gonna slide it down and it's still going that exact angle. There we go. All right. Then I have it going on that line. I'm gonna slide it down past this line right here because it overlaps. And I'm gonna draw a line under like that. And I left a little gap here because this plane fin is gonna come back up. All right, so I'm gonna line it up here and here, draw that, and then it has the wing, or the fin. There we go. And then it has the same angle. All right, looking good. And now this one, coming back, has an extra line for the flap. All right. Then what's gonna happen is this line is gonna kind of curve up, and I'm gonna get back on that angle, slide it down about halfway. Nope, I take that back. I'm gonna just slide it down just a little bit, and I'm gonna draw a line coming back like so. And then I'm gonna come up, same angle. And if I come straight up here and then down just a little bit, like that, I'm gonna draw a little line there. And then I'm gonna connect those two lines here and connect those two lines here. And I think this one was a little bit long for my liking, so I'll just kind of erase that. Or actually, I think I'm gonna just kind of turn that into the back end here. And then it has a little curve on the back. Okay, then I'm gonna come back to this line, okay? So I'm gonna take that line right here where the wings are. I'm gonna shove it back so I'm still at the same, like, parallel. And I'm gonna come out here, draw a line back, and then I'm gonna come over here, draw a line back. Okay, then I'm gonna come back to this angle right here, go up, I'm gonna draw a line over, come up to this one, draw just a little line over. All right, then I'm gonna draw a line coming in like so, draw the flap line on that, and then I'm gonna get back on this line here, slide it up. This is gonna go to about where that is, and then I'm gonna draw a line back and another line back for the flap. Yay! All right, then I'm gonna draw this line coming up like so, and then I'm gonna draw a line coming down, around, and meeting up there. And I'm gonna draw a line, a C, like that, another little C, like that, and some straight lines. And then I've got the door, the little round line, so. And then I'm gonna put my ruler back on here just to give myself a guide. And I'm just gonna draw some little circles. And I'm not really touching the ruler, I'm just using it as a guide so these are straight. Otherwise they'd be going all over the place and that wouldn't look right because, you know, a plane's a very geometric thing. What am I missing? Oh, the jet for the jet airplane. All right, so for the jet, I'm gonna start down here. I'm gonna draw an oval. It's kind of circular, but not really. Then I'm gonna draw another line around it. Okay, then I'm gonna draw a letter C, like that. And I'm gonna draw a little sideways letter U for the like the jet thing inside. And then I'm gonna come straight back and up like that. And then I'm gonna draw another letter C here. Go, and I guess maybe a line like that, and now it has the jet underneath of it and it can go whoo. All right, so now I'm going to draw some clouds. And some of the clouds are going to overlap by the jet. All right, and there we go. Hey, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. You know what? All right. All honesty, I think this line is way too thick. I'm gonna come in here. There we go. And I'm gonna get rid of this line. I think, yeah, that looks like way better. Okay, transparency. Got a little thick back there. I don't know, maybe it had like a little hatch thing on that, but I like this better for the passenger jet. Okay,